shown that we spend 1/3 of our life sleeping, and in today's video, we will share incredible nighttime ideas and life hacks that will make your sleep as pleasant and comfortable as possible. Want to read before going to bed, but everyone in the house is already asleep? To not turn on the overhead light, use a special flashlight for your book. You can make one from a flashlight and a paper clamp. But first, let's make a mount. To make the tube flexible, insert a metal wire in it. Attach the tube to the clamp. Bend the second end of the tube and glue it to the flashlight. Close the clamp on the cover of the book. A backlight for a cozy evening of reading is ready. And the next life hack is for those who cannot sleep late at night. We'll tell you how to make slippers with lights. You will need room slippers and 2 small flashlights. Disassemble the flashlight body and take out its luminous mechanism. Cut a groove of a suitable size in the sole and insert the mechanism into it. Take a step. The light comes on. A great way to not turn the overhead light on and avoid waking up your loved ones. It's not easy to find things in the dark. We suggest making a cup that glows. You need a regular white cup and a sheet of luminous self-adhesive paper. Cut straight strips out of the paper. Glue them all over the cup. Pour in the drink. This glowing cup will tell you where you can quench your thirst even in complete darkness. Something tells me that someone ate cookies in bed again. The whole sheet is in crumbs from crackers, even if large crumbs can easily be removed with a brush or a broom. The small ones will not go that easily. Some wide Scotch tape will help. Take a piece of the adhesive tape and make a loop. The Scotch tape will cleverly pick up the crumbs to the last grain. And in this life hack, we'll tell you how to make a huggable pillow out of a sweatshirt. Sew up the hood and the sleeves. Sew the bottom of the hoodie with neat stitches. Fill the sweatshirt with stuffing and finish the seam. Your new comfy huggable pillow is ready. Sometimes your hands and feet stay cold even under a warm blanket. We will tell you how to make a warm water heater from a toy, which will help you warm up more quickly. You'll need a regular soft toy with stuffing. Open the seam and take out the stuffing. Fill the toy with buckwheat grains. Seal the seam with a hot glue gun. Put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Done! This donkey hurries to warm you up. Did you know that some herbs contribute to a good night's sleep? Next, we'll tell you how to make a fragrant night sachet. Take a piece of cloth, fold it in half and bend the edges inwards. Glue along the bent lines. Now you have a small bag. Cut branches of lavender flowers and fill the pillow. Seal on the seam. Decorate with felt hearts and twigs of lavender. The mini cushion settles comfortably on the bed and starts exuding a delicate, relaxing scent. Well, how can you help but fall asleep now? Relax your nerves before bedtime with this lava lamp. Let's make it out of materials we already have on hand. Mount a flashlight to a plastic pot. Now you'll need a high glass vase. Attach its base to the lantern with a hot glue gun. And now to stock up for the main event. Get vegetable oil, water, fizzy vitamin C tablets, and coloring. Pour the vegetable oil into the vase. Add a little water. Drip in a few drops of dyes and throw in a vitamin C tablet. It is simply impossible to look away from the spectacle inside the lamp. The liquid bubbles and dissolves into 1,000 lava droplets, slowly settling to the bottom. a real de-stressor for the eyes. And did you know that you can make decor for the walls that's visible even in the dark? You need some glowing Oracal film. Make a drawing on the film with a black marker. We are going to draw lovely little owls. Cut it out. Carefully smoothing the pattern, paste it on the wall next to the sockets. Turn off the light and admire the glowing birds. It looks very cute. Finding the light switch in the dark is not a simple task. Make a beacon for the switch from the same luminous film. Draw and cut geometric shapes. Glue them on the controller of the switch. The signal beacon will help you to orient yourself even in total darkness. And you can also glue this film all over a clock. Draw figures on the film. Cut them out. Paste them around the clock face. Glue glowing strips to the arrows. Even if there is pitch darkness around you, you always know what time it is. Very convenient. And now we'll tell you how to make a cozy nightlight in the form of a cloud. You need an empty Pringles container. Paste scrap paper all over it. Make a hole in the bottom. Insert a light bulb with a wire. The compact lamp is ready. Draw and cut out clouds and crescents. Join them with wire and attach them to the light source. Very cozy! And a special garland repellent will protect your sleep from mosquitoes and flies. You need a long wooden ruler and Velcro. Glue pieces of Velcro on the ruler. Cut off a long thread and fasten clips to it. Tie them to the ruler, placing them at equal distances from each other. Cut a lemon. Stick cloves into its segments. Attach the lemons onto the clips. Glue the Velcro to the slope and fasten the garland on the cornice. The smell of lemon and cloves will scare off mosquitoes and they will not fly into the house. And now let's turn the wall into a beautiful starry sky. You need a plastic container and 3 flashlights. Attach flashlights to the bottom of the container. Let's make a rotating base. You need a spinner and matching lids. Glue them to each of the blades of the spinner. Cut out a circle from thick paper. Draw and cut out images of stars. Fold them. Cut one of the wedges to form a pyramid shape. Glue wooden sticks to make a support structure. Fasten it to the plastic vessel. The star projector is ready. Spin it gently, and the light of distant stars illuminates the room. How beautiful! Out of a vegetable grater, you can make a romantic candlestick. Light a candle and cover it with a metal grater. Its soft diffused light will help you calm down and fall asleep quickly. When your feet are warm, it is much easier to fall asleep. So, let's make some sleeping socks in the form of glamorous unicorns. You need brand new white socks. Cut out a triangle shaped from shiny felt. Make eyes and cheeks. Now, you need knitting yarn. You will make a bushy tail for your unicorn from it. Using the hot glue gun, attach the parts to the fabric. Falling asleep in socks like these is simply amazing. Do you like bright colors? You can also make socks with minions. It's fun, warm, and cozy. Is the light from your nightlight too bright for you to be able to fall asleep? A stern-looking head wrap will help you solve this problem. Draw and cut out glasses from a piece of black foameran. Make eyes from a piece of yellow felt. Attach the eyes on the wrap with a hot glue gun. All that's left to do is paste on a wide elastic band. The wrap is ready for sleep. Do you suffer from insomnia? Let us suggest a recipe that will immerse you in a sound, healthy sleep. Pour milk into a glass. Warm it up. Add a teaspoon of honey. It is scientifically proven that this cocktail will help you get to sleep fast. Good night! Did you like our night life hacks? Which of these ideas will you definitely try? Will you make a lamp with boiling lava, slippers with lights, or maybe socks with a unicorn? Let us know in the comments section. Put a like on this video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click on the bell. See you soon on Troom Select.